Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video, I will be showing you how to use macros in Microsoft Word. Macros are a powerful tool that can help you automate repetitive tasks and save time when working on documents. So, let's dive in. Step 1. Recording a macro. In order to find macros in Microsoft Word, we will go to the View tab and click on Macros. Or, we can go to the Developer tab and click on the Macros button there. If we cannot find the Developer tab in our Microsoft Word, we can add it by following these steps. Click on this small arrow. Then go down to More Commands. Choose Customize Ribbon. Then tick the Developer box. And finally, click OK. Now, to be able to use macros, the first step is to record a macro. To do this, we will go to the View tab and click on Macros. Then, we will click on Record Macro and give our macro a name. Let's suppose we will name it Mubarak. In order to make it even easier to run our macro when we need it, we can assign it to a button or keyboard shortcut. To do this, we should choose one of these two options. Let's suppose we will assign our macro to a keyboard shortcut. To do this, we will click the keyboard here and under the Press New Shortcut Key field, we will enter the shortcut that we prefer. Let's say we will choose Ctrl+2. And then we will click on Assign. After that, we will perform the actions that we want to automate. For example, we want to add some specific stuff like special text formatting, or you want to insert tables, signatures, or anything else to the end of a number of paragraphs in a big document. For example, let's say that we want to put this line of signs at the end of certain paragraphs. Now, while we will be drawing, macros will be recording our steps. And once we're done, we will click on Stop Recording. Now that we have recorded our actions, we will not need to do this again manually. Instead, macros will do it for us automatically. We will see this in Step 2. Step 2. Running a macro. After we've recorded our macro, we can run it at any time. To do this, we will go to the View tab and click on Macros. Then, we will select the macro that we want to run and click on Run. Our macro will then perform the actions that we recorded. Or, we can do this simply by pressing the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+2 that we just entered as the quick shortcut for using our macro. Step 3. Deleting a macro. If we think that one of the macros that we have already recorded is not needed anymore and we want to delete it, we can do so by going to the View tab and clicking on View Macros. We will then select the macro that we want to delete, for example this one, and click on Delete and then select Yes. Done. That is all about macros. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.